In order to choose the right sink for your bathroom remodel, let's go through the options. Undermount sinks have a very low profile because they are fixed underneath the vanity countertop. They are by far the easiest to clean, and they have a sleek and modern look to them. Drop-in sinks, also called top-mount sinks, are placed into the countertop with their edge resting above the counter. Installation is affordable and simple with these sinks, but they are harder to clean and can look dated because it's a more traditional style of sink. Vessel sinks are basins that sit on top of the counter or partially in it. They are statement pieces in a bathroom. They can be deeper, holding more water, but they are not the easiest to clean and can end up splashing water about. Floating sinks are installed directly into the wall instead of a vanity. They have a dramatic modern look and they're great for small spaces. Pedestal sinks stand on their own with concealed plumbing bringing water down through the floor. They're classic yet bring a playful quality to a room. They take up little space, but they are hard to clean. Hope you found this video helpful. Follow IHR Seattle for more remodeling advice and contact us when you're ready to transform your Seattle home.